Namaste from Sarva. Welcome to today's yoga session. So guys, today we are going to practice Ashtanga Yoga. So this practice is very physically demanding practice. So in this practice, we are going to move progressively from one posture to another posture, synchronizing the movement with the breath. Before you get into the practice, just please check on your health issues, any kind of health issues, majorly lower back. So please check on all the health issues or just consult your doctor before getting into the practice. Let's get started. First, you can keep your feet separate apart or join your feet together. To join your palms together in front of the chest, eyes closed. Just take few rounds of deep breaths before you start. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Just focus on your breath. With every breath, try to minimize your thoughts, try to calm down your mind. So feel like not able to balance, just separate your feet over there slowly, outward. If you feel you're not able to balance, keeping your eyes closed, breathe. With every breath, try to minimize your thoughts, try to calm down your mind. Feel the firmness of the feet on the ground. Deep breath. Slowly start to rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Bring your palms in front of the face very slowly and gently. Open your eyes. Look into the palms. So guys, Ashtanga practice is a great deal of physical benefits. So it generates internal heat in a body which purifies your body, strengthening and tightening your core muscles and toning the body. Let's get started. Come on the top of the mat. If you feel you are not able to stand with feet together, just separate your feet separate apart or can join in. Now from here, extend your hands from the sides, raise your arms up. So while you're starting from this, your tailbone might be tucking out. So you have to just pull the belly in, tuck the tailbone so that your back remains straight. Inhale, extend your hands from the sides. Just have a look for one round. Look up. Exhale, fold forward. You can slightly bend the knees if you have back issues. Exhale, slowly go forward. Placing your hands beside your feet. Try touching your forehead down into the knees. Inhale to head up. You can keep that bend on the knee. You can use your fingertips beside your feet. Exhale slowly. You have to jump backward or walk backward. You can slowly walk backward, one step at a time, going down into a Chaturanga Dand. So from here, just lean on your toes to slowly sink your chest down. Don't bring your chest too down. Inhale, slide your body forward. Roll your shoulders back. You can rest your knees on the floor. If you feel here, you can't keep the knees high. And make sure don't shrug your shoulders like this. Don't take your elbows out. So elbows are pointing backward. Roll shoulders. Open your chest up. Look up. Exhale. Tuck the toes in. Press your palms down. Lift your knees up, hips up. Come to a downward dog. Breathe. So guys, over here you might feel like you're not able to reach the floor with the heels. Just try pressing it down. Pressing your upper back. Keeping your feet separate apart. Palm shoulder width apart. Breathe, elbows pointing backward, fingers wide open. Gaze into the navel or in between the legs. Hold there for a while. Deep breaths. 5 deep breaths. 6. Sound breathing called Ujjayi breath. 5. 4. 3. 2. and 1. Inhale, slowly look in between the palms. You can walk forward or jump forward. Slowly walking forward in between the palms to inhale halfway, making your back flat. Exhale. Again the same thing, you can slightly bend the knees, try touching your forehead down into the knees or try to straighten the legs. Inhale, slowly bend your knees to come up if you want, or you can come directly. If you have back issues, then only bend the knees, otherwise try coming up directly. Inhale to up, look up in between the palms. Exhale, Samasthiti, relax. One more round guys, we'll go. Inhale, just this time we'll do the full version of it. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Extend your hands from the sides. Join your palms together, look in between the thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, placing your hands beside your feet, touching your forehead down into the knees. Inhale to flat back, head up. Exhale, place your palms, lift your body in the air. Exhale, jump backward, Chaturanga done. Inhale, untuck your toes, roll your shoulders back to lift the head and chest up, look up into an upward facing dog. Exhale, lift your heels up, press your heels down into the floor. Look in between the legs or look into the navel. 5 deep breaths, hold there for a while. 6, 5, 4. Press your upper back, fingers wide open, arms stronger. Roll your shoulders away from the ears. Entwine your skin, pull your skin. 3. Breathe. Sound breathing. 2. And 1. Slowly look forward in between the palms to jump forward, coming halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Touch your forehead down into the knees. You can slightly bend the knees if you feel your back is hurting. Bend your knees or just go straight down. Inhale, extend your hands from the sides. Join your palms together. Look up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Guys, we'll go for one more round. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhaling, extend your hands from the sides. Join your palms together. Look up. Exhale, fold forward. Touching your forehead down into the knees. Inhale to head up. Exhale. Guys, you place your palms down. You can place it in front. If you feel you don't have a space enough to jump backward, you can place it in front, like beside here. If you can't keep it beside the feet, keep it in front. Now from here, slowly lift the body up. Jump backward, Chaturanga. So guys, when you keep it in front, the jumping thing won't work. So better, if possible, try keeping it beside the feet. You saw that I was here, so my elbows are not, so I'm unable to come into the full Chaturanga. Okay, so have a look once again. Come on the front. Inhale to up. Exhale slowly. Now from here, when you're going down, you just go directly. You lean front to go to a Chaturanga. Inhale. Release your toes. Open your chest up. Roll your shoulders to look up. Exhale. Downward dog. 5 deep breaths. Hold there for a while. 6, 5, 4. Breathe. 3, 2. Keep breathing. And 1. Inhale, look forward in between the palms. Jump forward or slowly walk forward to come halfway up. Exhale, fold forward, touch your forehead down into the knees. Inhale, extend your hands from the sides to come all the way up. Join your palms together over the head. Exhale. Relax. So guys, we'll go with the second round of sun salutation, the sun salutation B. So have a look. So you can keep your feet up a little bit apart, hip width apart, or bring your toes together, heels together. I'll show the easier version first. Take a deep breath, inhale. Bend your knees to take your buttocks down. Knees in line with the toes, look in between the thumbs. So guys, when you're here, keep your belly in. Otherwise, you'll get more pressure over the knee. Take your knees behind the toes. Breathe. Inhale to arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Touch your forehead down into the knees. You can slightly bend the knees if you feel you are not reaching the knees. Inhale to halfway up. Exhale, lift the body up. Chaturanga. Inhale. Slide your body forward, roll your shoulders back to up dog. You can drop the knees down and just open your chest up if you feel your knees are not up. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, bring your right foot forward, close to your right palm. Ground the back heel. Inhaling, keeping your knees and ankle stack. So ankle stack underneath the knee. Inhale, extend your hands from the sides to look up in between the thumbs. Exhale, hands down on the floor. Take your right leg backward into a chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left foot front to ground the back heel. Extending your hands from the sides, so join your palms together, look up. Exhale, hands down on the floor. Take your left leg backward into a chaturanga dand. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe. 5 deep breaths. Look into the navel. Fingers wide open, pressing your shoulder blades, rolling your shoulders away from each other. Hold there for a while. 6. Look in between the legs or look on the navel. 5. 4. Breathe. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, jump forward in between the palms to come halfway. Exhale, fold forward, touch your forehead down into the knees. Inhale, bend your knees to a chair. Utkat Asana. Exhale, Samasthiti. We'll go for 2 more rounds, guys. We'll go for more advanced. Now try keeping your feet together, legs together. Inhale, slide your hands. Take your hands from the sides to join your palms together, look up. Exhale, go forward. Touch your forehead down into the knees. Inhale to head up. Exhale, jump backward. Chaturanga dand. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, bring your right foot forward. Ground the heel. Extend your hands, keeping your 4-point square like this. From the hips, shoulders. Extend your hands up to look up or look front. If you're not able to look up, look front. Exhale, hands on the floor, Chaturanga dand. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot. Extend your hands up, join your palms together, look up. Exhale, hands down. Chaturanga dand. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Few more rounds of deep breaths over here. Sound breathing. Breathe. 6. Hold there. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale to jump forward, halfway up. Exhale, fold forward, touch your forehead down. Slight bend on the knees if you're not able to reach with your forehead down to the knees. Inhale, bend your knees to come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Relax, guys. Just last one more round. Take a deep breath, inhale. So we are after this, we'll be finished with warm-ups. Take a deep breath, inhale. Fully advanced version I'll show. Feet together, legs together. Inhale, bend your knees to a chair or Utkat Asana. Exhale, fold forward. Place your hands beside your feet, touching your forehead down into the knees. Uttan Asana. Inhale to halfway up. Urdhva Uttan Asana. Place your hands down. Lift your body in the air. Jump backward. Chaturanga dand. Inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale to bring your right foot forward. Ground the back heel. Make sure the front heel, the arch on the back foot should be in one line. Move your shin forward. Ankle stack underneath the knee. Thigh parallel to the ground. Inhale, extend your hands up to look up or look front. Veerbhadra. Exhale, hands on the floor. Take your right leg backward into a Chaturanga dand. Inhale, Urdhva Mukh Svanasana. To exhale, Adho Mukh Svanasana. Bring your left foot forward, ground the back heel. So guys, you might lose the balance if your heels are not in one line, or the front heel and the arch on the back foot is not in one line. Lift the chest of your thighs. Inhaling, extend your hands from the sides to look up. Exhale, hands down on the floor. Take your left leg backward into a Chaturanga Dand. Untuck your toes. Roll your shoulders. Lift your head and chest up. Look up into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jump forward in between the palms to come halfway up. Exhale, you can bring your feet together if you want. When you jump in, exhale to go forward, touch your forehead down into the knees. Inhale, bend your knees to Utkat Asana. Look up, pull the belly in, exhale, Samasthiti, guys. Very good. So we are done with the warm-up. Now start the flow. Now from here, guys, just jump your feet hip width apart. And keeping your hands on the hips, slowly hinge from the pelvic, go forward. So guys, if you feel like your back is hurting, slightly bend the knees. Now this time you're going to do the Padhasthasana. Slide your hands from the top, from the front. Keep your palms underneath the toes. Half palms, you can take it down. Now slowly, if you feel you're a beginner, you're not able to go there, and you feel like your hamstring and calves are too tight, slowly touching your forehead down into the knees or bringing your head in between the legs, try straightening the legs out. Try straightening. And if you can, try straightening and hold there for a while. Breathe. Elbows outward. Don't straighten those elbows, keep it bent outward. Look into the navel. Strong legs. Keep breathing. 6, hold there for a while. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to head up. Exhale over there. Inhale to hands on the hips. Slowly, you can slightly bend the knees if your back is weak, or come up straight to straighten the legs. Very good. Now from here, gather your feet together, legs together. Join your palms together in front of the chest. Inhale, extend your hands by your sides. Turn your right foot out, left foot in. Inhale to exhale, reach your ankle on the on the floor. Bring your hand onto the floor or reach your ankle or your shin. Wherever your body allows, just respect your limits and go. Make sure your body is not leaning forward. Open your chest, try to bring your shoulders in one line. Okay, and you might lose a balance. So make sure the right heel and the arch on the back foot is in one line. Inhale to open your chest up, gaze towards the left fingertips. Hold there for a while. Breathe. 6, be there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come center. Exhale, turn your left foot out, right foot in. Exhale to reach your shin if you can, or if you can go more down, that's great. Reaching your ankle, or place your hand down beside your feet, raising your right hand up. Open your chest up, don't allow your body to fall. You can use your fingertips also if you want. Hold there for a while. Deep breaths. 6, 5. If you feel your neck is hurting, you can look front also. Instead of looking up, look front. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come center. Exhale, come on the front. Now from here, turn from the left side. Just to show you guys, I'm turning from the left side. Otherwise, you always try to turn from the right side. Separating your feet, nice. approximately 4 to 4.5 feet apart, or nice wide stand as per your height. Very good. Pointing your toes inward, keeping your hands on the hips. Inhale, extend your hands onto the sides. Exhale, bind your hands behind. Inhale to head up. Exhale, slowly hinge from the pelvic, go down. Now facing your palms outward, hinge to go forward as much as you can. Hold there. Perfect. Try touching your palms onto the floor. Breathe. Deep breaths. This is also fine, guys. 6. If you're not able to open your palms outward, this is fine. 6. 5. Hold there for a while. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale to come all the way up. Exhale. Relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale once again. Turn on the front to come front of the mat. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Join your feet together, legs together. Inhale. Extend your hands from the sides. Join your palms together. Look up. Exhale. Go forward. Placing your hands beside your feet. Touching your forehead down into the knees. Inhale to head up. Exhale. Jump backward. Chaturanga Dand. Inhale. Up dog. Exhale. Downward dog. Breathe. Deep breaths. Now from here, once again, we are going to jump forward, crossing the legs. If you feel you're not directly straightening the legs and can't jump in like this, you just cross your legs step by step, move forward. I'll show you once again how to get in there. Slowly first walk backward. We'll go for one more time. Come to a downward dog. From here, slowly cross your right leg over the top of the left. Try lifting the body up. 1 step. 2. Try rounding your back, keeping your buttocks high in the air to slowly stretch your legs forward. Breathe. Now guys, hinge from the pelvic. Go down, pressing your abdomen, chest in on the floor. Grab your or slide your first 2 fingers in between the big toes. Inhale, exhale. Pull it out to touch your chin down to look towards the toes. Guys, if you feel you are not able to reach till your toes, just drop your hands on the outside of your shins, on the either side of your shins. Go forward. Hold this. This is fine. Just respect your limits and breathe in and breathe out. Deep breaths or reach in like this. Whichever is your maximum. Try not to push yourself too much. This or this. 6. Hold there. 5. Keep breathing. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale to lift the chest up. Exhale. Place your hands down beside. Once again, cross your right ankle over the top of the left. Take your hands beside your buttocks. Slowly lifting yourself step by step. Lift the buttocks up. 1 step. Take it down. Guys, if you can't lift the glutes off the floor, if you feel your body weight is too much, just place your hands beside. You can use the blocks beside you. Place your palms down. Slowly start to walk backward. One step. Come to a Chaturanga Dand. If you can't do Chaturanga Dand, guys, the modification simple. Drop your knee down. Try to go forward. Release your toes. If you're not able to come fully into an up dog, open your chest up. Roll your shoulders back to look up. Exhale. Downward dog. Breathe. Once again, cross the leg. We'll go slow, more slow this time. 1 step, 2 step. Stretch your legs forward. Now from here, slowly take your hands beside you. Fingers pointing inward. Inhale to lift your body up. Exhale, press your toes down on the floor. Hold there. 6, 5, 4, toes together, heels together. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come down, relax. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Now from here, cross your legs. Go backward once again, slowly. You can just simply walk in backward. Place your hands down, cross your right leg on the top of the left. Lift the glutes up. Slowly start to walk backward. Come to a Chaturanga Dand position. Untuck your toes to look up. Exhale, downward dog. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. And guys, slowly from here, you cross your legs. If you can't directly jump in between the palms, you slowly cross your legs to go forward. I'll show it once again. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Lift the body up to sit back on your place. This is quite difficult for you. You might find it a little difficult. Now from here, slowly, you can go step by step, crossing the legs as we did before. Now from here, slowly, bend your right knee at the joint, keeping it close to your glutes. Your right buttock is pressing into the floor. Inhale, stretch your hands in front to go forward. You can interlace your fingers. So guys, your body weight might shift towards the left side. You can take your hand support on the right and go forward. Hold there. So body weight doesn't comes onto the left. Hold there. Breathe. Chin to chin. Look towards the toes. 6, 5. Breathe. 4, 3. Deep breaths. 2 and 1. Inhale to head up. Exhale. Now from here, lift your body. Once again, you can slowly stretch your leg forward. Cross the legs. Slowly walk backward or lift the body up. Jump backward. Chaturanga Dand. Open your chest up. Inhale to exhale. Breathe. Once again, we'll cross the leg to jump sit. 1 step, 2 step to slowly stretch your legs forward on the mat. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Bend your left knee at the joint. Now placing your shin, leaning on one side to place your shin outside such that your glutes slide down through your heel. Make sure you're not sitting on the heel. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. You go forward, grab your wrist to bend down. And chin to chin, look towards the toes. Make sure your shoulders in one line. If you feel you're not able to go this way, just keep your hand beside to keep that balance. So you can keep your hand like this, breathe. So your body is leaning onto the right side, okay? So hold there. So press your hand onto the floor to bring your chin to chin, to look towards the toes. 6, 5, breathe. 4, or just touch your forehead down. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to come up center. Exhale, relax. Stretch your legs forward. Cross your legs to slowly walk backward. Come to a Chaturanga Dand position. Inhale to up dog. Exhale to downward dog. Once again, cross your legs to jump forward. Breathe. Stretch your legs in front. Now bend your right knee at the joint. So keep a gap in between the right foot sole and the left inner thigh. Make sure the heel is close to the glute. First option, guys. You can look at this. I'm sliding my trunk out. Stretching your hands in front to go forward. Touching your forehead down. First option. Or just if you have, no worries. Make sure the right knee is pointing in towards the shoulder. Okay? Stretch your hands in front. Exhale to go down. Breathe. Or you can wrap your right hand around the shin to take your left hand behind the waist to go forward. Whichever you feel, hold there. Sinking down, chin to chin, look towards the toes. Breathe. Deep breaths. 6, hold there. 5, 4, deep breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to head up, chest up. Exhale, guys. Place your hands down. Place your hands down beside your feet. Lift the body up. Exhale slowly. Jump backward, Chaturanga Dand. Inhale to up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Now same thing we're going to repeat on the other side. Breathe. You can go step by step. Cross your legs. One step, try lifting the body. Or guys, very easiest of all, slowly, few inches, slowly, you can walk in front to bring your legs in front. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Bend your left knee at the joint to bring your heel close to the glutes. Breathe, inhale, exhale. You can go forward, sliding your trunk out of your knee forward to go bend and touch your forehead down into the knees. Hold this position. Try to level your shoulders. Shoulders should be in one line. Or if you feel you can do more, wrap your left hand around the shin to grab your wrist behind. Exhale, go forward. Chin to shin, look towards the toes. Hold there. Breathe. 6, be there. 5, 4, 3, deep breaths, 2, and 1. Inhale to head up, exhale. So guys, how to jump in from here, have a look. So you're hooking your shin into your arm, placing your hands beside your legs, lift the body up, first from the floor, full body up from the floor, lift the body up, slowly slide your ankle in between the arms. When you're sliding the ankle, make sure the right elbow is hooking into the pelvic. Lift the body up, slowly walking back to a chaturanga. Inhale to open your chest up. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe. Deep breaths. Now from here, jump through sit. Stretch your legs forward. Boat posture. Crown of the head and toes in one line. Hold there. 6, 5. Open your chest up. 4. Don't sink in like this. 3. Don't hold your legs. Oh, you are not able, so your legs might be too heavy. You keep the grab of it. Okay, no worries. Try keeping your hands underneath the hamstring. Hold there. Open your chest up. 6. You can do this way or do this way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross your legs to lift the body up. Hold. Exhale. Sit once again. Boat. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cross the legs to lift. Exhale. Sit. Now take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Relax over there for a while. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, slowly walking in backward. Come to a chaturanga dand. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe, jump through, sit. Join your foot soles together to heels close to the perineum, guys. Interlace the fingers. Inhale to exhale, go forward. Pressing your arms into the thighs. Hold there. 6, breathe. 5, go forward. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Relax over there. Slowly come back center. Sit in a cross-leg position. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Hands in chin mudra upon your thighs and just focus on your breath. Join your palms together in front of the chest. Start to rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Bring your palms in front of the face. Very slowly and gently open your eyes and look into the palms. Hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Don't forget to check some amazing sleep stories and meditation on the Sarva app. Or you can try some amazing workout with our experienced trainers on the app. See you in the next session. Thank you.